Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your ANZ Bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and type in ANZ Bank login and hit the search. Make sure it will take you to the official website www.anz.com. Just click on that first link. Now you will be redirected to the official website of ANZ. Now over here you can see the login and the register button. If you don't have any account of ANZ, just click on that register button to create a new account. For now I'm going for login. Again you will be redirected to the new interface, which is the login page of ANZ Internet Banking. Now guys, over here you just need to enter your customer registration number. Similarly, you just need to enter your password over here. And once you click on login button, you will be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your login ID, just click on that forgot login details. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit that bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.